Hello, I'm Catastrophe, and welcome, Catopolis. Today we're opening Pokemon booster packs, and you know how I said booster packs? I mean booster packs. Yes, more Pokemon unboxing. Alright, so the first one, so we have 1 Evolutions, 2 Steam Siege. We're going to open a Steam Siege first, then Evolutions, then Steam Siege. So, let's get to opening. Hopefully we get good stuff. Find out. Ooh, that looks cool. Break the Voltal. Or Volta, as I used to say. Okay, let's hope we get something good. Okay, open the packs. Take out the cards. Okay. Since it's like this, 3 from the back. Okay. Hocha. Duot. Steelix Spirit Link. Dino. Ponyta. Marill. Litleo. Whoa, sorry, hold on. I need to get my hand comfortable. Comfortable positions. Litleo. Rufflet. Hollow Tangrowth. And Spiritomb. Never heard of it. Okay. Next pack. Got Blastoise, Mega Blastoise Evolutions. Let's find out what's in the packet, if it'll open. If the pack will open. What pack is it? Now the box wasn't. Okay, so it's a Mega Venusaur. Let's see what we get from Mega Venusaur. Trying to open this. Doesn't seem to want to open. I'll turn the camera back on. Okay. Got it open. Where's the back? Okay, I think that's the back. Alright, I just wanted to get them out from the back. If the pack will open correctly. Try again. Scissors. Okay. Got the pack. Let's find out what we get. Revive. Poliwhirl. Missy's Determination. Onyx. Weedle. Hold on. Okay. Chop. Tangela. Vulpix. Hollow Magikarp. And Raichu! Alright. So far, so wonderful. Alright. Final pack. We got Steam Siege Groudon. Pack's kind of heavy. Let's find out what's inside. Whoa, that was easy. Card conditions don't look very great, as you can see. But let's find out what we got. Okay. Captivating Pokepuff, Flaffy, Steelix Spearlink, Napalm, Yanma, Sneasel, Litleo, Nosepass, Hollow Nosepass, Chandelier, alright, and that's it. So, got a Hollow Chandelier, This is the second Chandelier I've ever had. Let's do a recap. Alright, the recap, got an Onix, Beartom, Chandelier, Nosepass, Magikarp, Tangrowth, and a Raichu. Let's go ahead and sleeve that up. Not good quality though, as you can see, this little scratch. Now, that's how it was in the box. It's always going to have scratches, I guess. There's no way you can stop that. We have them sleeved up. We got our Raichu and our Magikarp sleeved up. See you next time. Bye-bye.